In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails and SMS on Shopify. If you're running an online store, you know how valuable building a customer list can be. With Shopify, you can easily gather your customers' contact information to engage with them more effectively. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you'll want to navigate to My Store from the homepage. This is where you'll control all the nuts and bolts of your online store operations. It doesn't hurt to familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't already, as it serves as the command center for all your store management. Now, once you're at the dashboard, you're going to look for the Settings option, which you'll find at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on this and you'll see another list of options appearing. Here, what you're specifically looking for is the Checkout settings. Click on Checkout to open up options that will help you customize how you collect information during a customer's checkout process. Next, within the Checkout section, you'll see an area called Customer Contact Method. This part is crucial because it allows you to decide how customers can choose to provide their contact information. Shopify gives you flexibility here, so take a moment to think about how you want to communicate with your customers, whether through their phone numbers or email addresses. Click into this option to make your selection. Choose the option for phone number or email. This setup provides your customers the choice between entering either their email address or their phone number as their preferred contact method. Offering both options can increase your chances of collecting this data, as it accommodates customer preferences and conveniences. Finally, to prioritize collecting email addresses, make sure to click the Email option. Emails are traditionally a more versatile way for businesses to communicate promotions, updates, and other marketing content, making them a valuable resource for any retailer. Also, people tend to check their email regularly, making it a consistent method for maintaining communication. At this point, you're all set. Remember, collecting emails and phone numbers is not just about having the information, but about building relationships through personalized engagement. This integration into your Shopify checkout process will not only streamline data collection, but will also lay the groundwork for more meaningful interactions with your customers. So, whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your existing setup, these steps will help you to effectively gather the crucial contact details you need, empowering your business for potential growth and deeper customer connections. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with Shopify.